So, while we're sitting here waiting for the rest of our donuts to cook, Cori just said, so I'm not from the 80s, like, you know, because it's so old. I was definitely born in 1987.
It's good!
Hey, y'all. It's tea time
with CJ and Cori.
Hey, guys. We are just hanging out in the kitchen a little bit. I'm finally feeling a lot more like myself. And Cori is going to make some donuts. It's tea time, actually.
Ooh, birthday cake.
It looks so good. I'm going to have to show them that in there before you mix it up. Okay. She's making birthday cake donuts in our little mini maker, but she's just using muffin mix. We honestly don't follow any rules. We do whatever we want.
Okay.
Here's my tea right now. Cori actually is not drinking tea right now, but I'm always drinking
that
tea.
tastes good. That's real good.
This is good too. All right, Cori wants to show you guys what she's baking. Hold on. Let's get you down in the bowl. Ooh, are we on there? There we go.
Yeah. So now I'm gonna add.
So fast.
Now I'm gonna add the milk and stuff. So
she's added some milk in. It's so simple. Yeah, mix it all up, girl. Guys, I have a candle lit right here. It smells so good. It's a Macintosh Apple Coconut Soy Wax Candle. It's by Kalisa Kareem Scents. It's a small business, but but she makes the absolute best candles. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to tag the Instagram below. We know her, but this one is Macintosh. Oh my god, it smells so good. I want to just like.
And who makes those candles is her mom's.
But no, honestly, even if she wasn't my mom, I would buy the candles. Why was I saying like I didn't know who she was? But she's like that. How it's like plugging her. It's so good. I messed up the candle label a little bit. I like wet it and everything. So sorry, mama. Let me get up in that bowl.
What if you dropped the camera in there?
I would cry. Look at this. Cori's making her batter. Like, honestly, guys, we use these little muffin mix things for everything. And, oh, we're using our little Nostalgia. Everything we use is from Nostalgia, huh? The little mini makers. Yeah. My mini donut maker in there. Don't put your hand too close, you know? Like, just put it, like... Maybe I probably put too much. You got it, girl. You did it, girl. Ciao. Okay, we are attempting to make icing. I'm going to pour a little bit of milk in the powdered sugar. We already sifted it while Cori mixes it in. You ready, Cori?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Tell me when you're ready. You ready? You start whisking. That little whisk has been through some time, child. Look at this whisk, y'all. Ooh, baby. You're supposed to sift. Oh.
We almost done. Guys, look how good this is turning out.
So, while we're sitting here waiting for the rest of our donuts to cook, Cori just said, so I'm not from the 80s, like, you know, because it's so old. I was definitely born in 1987.
It's good!
You want to take that one on?
Yeah.
Be careful.
It's getting messy. When we cook, we're very, very messy, guys.
We or you?
We!
I don't think it's we. I think that's a you thing.
Oh my gosh, that's not enough. I made it like a little thing. Oh, I think it's done now.
Oh. Wow. I guess there are two.
Oh, y'all gotta make these and send it to us.
I'll send us a picture. Yeah, tag us. Or if you do make a video of these and do it on YouTube, send us the video. But if you do it on like socials, tag at CJ and Cori. Okay, we want to see them.
Yeah, we want to see them.
They're so cute. We gotta show Daddy these.
Daddy gotta try one of these.
Yeah, he definitely has to try them.
They were burnt.
She said those muffins you made were crispy.
And was he? And I killed. Did you eat one?
Yeah.
Look at that.
Okay, so Cori dipped on me. She went down to the basement, but I was saying that I had an idea for another like birthday cake recipe. I guess I'm just gonna put this all in one video. Little kitchen vloggy vlog sorta, tea time. But I have this, is it like showing it? Okay, I was saying I have this birthday cake flavoring from Dolce Flav. And I think I'm gonna try to make a whipped cream topping with it for a milk tea. I just have an idea. Let's go with it. Okay, yeah, so I'm gonna try and use this and make like a whipped cream topping. And every time I make whipped topping, if we don't use it all, then I like just freeze the rest of it so we can have it to just throw on top of teas and hot chocolates or whatever, right? So I just have an idea. So we're just gonna go with it and try it out. Then I'm gonna call Cori up to try it. So clearly today we're not worried about sugar, calories, and none of that because we're about to use some powdered sugar again. Let's grab some heavy whipping cream, some powdered sugar, and make some whipped topping. Hold on. Let me see if Cori started. What's that? I'm getting tired, but I don't want it some more. She gonna say it's time for bed, let's retire.
Yeah.
The table long and it's
I like the speed of it. I was a little too slow.
don't wanna go, so I wanna make a play.
Hey guys.
Hey guys.
Ooh, that looks good. Is this a cream?
Yeah, girl, it's cream.
Ooh, that looks good. Oh wow, that's a lot of sugar.
Oh, and this is what I'm about to add.
What's that?
The birthday cake flavor.
Birthday cake? We made birthday cake of these.
I know, it's a birthday cake kind of sight. Smell that. Smells so good, right?
Smells so good.
Okay, so my idea is that I'll freeze some in here because we're not going to use it all today. So I'm going to freeze some. And you can have birthday cake, of course, without sprinkles. So I'm going to put some different sprinkles on them, I think. I don't know what we're going to end up using. I got chocolate sprinkles too. And some hot pink. Thinking a little on the bottom. Just gonna freeze these. Oh, that was almost a disaster. Once they freeze in here, I'll take them out of here and put them in a little airtight container to save. Okay, let's make the actual milk tea. So I got some ice and I made some tea. This is rose hip and rooibos tea. Gonna add in a little more of our birthday cake flavor. One. I think that should be good, right? Need that little bit. I don't really know. Who knows if that should be good or not because we've never made this before. And then, of course, we need the milk to make it a milk tea. And then I wanted it to have a little bit of sweetness, so there's not much sugar in that yet. Actually, no, so I'm gonna add in some sweet cream creamer, just a little. Milk tea glasses, maybe, maybe not, but this is what we're using. Make sure it's all mixed up and ready. Oh. got some slime. Are you ready to try it?
My favorite kind of slime. Butter slime.
Butter slime, baby.
It spreads like
I'm moving
butter.
the camera over a bit so it could be a little bit more
Hey
neutral.
guys, it's
Okay.
CJ. Wait, does it have like water in it?
It's just like bubbles in the glass.
That's weird.
Hey guys, it's CJ and
Cori.
she gets all my anyway. okay, let's try this. This is a birthday cake milk tea. Let's do it. Cheers to the girls. Cheers. Your glass. Here, I'll do mine lower. Ready? Let's try it. Oh, that's sweet. You gotta eat some of the whipped cream. How am I gonna get that? I only put a little bit of sweetener in the tea so it's not overly sweet. So the whipped cream, it's actually not as sweet as I thought it was gonna be, like overly sweet. It's not bad.
The drink.
You
Not sweet at all.
You want more sugar in the drink? So you gotta mix the cream in. I don't wanna make it too sweet. If I spin it around, will it mix? But she would just put a pound of sugar. But you drink it with the cream.
How do you mix? Wait, what did you do?
Oh yeah.
Wait, how do you? Oh, okay.
Oh wait. I did like this.
Girl, stop it.
Get a spoon, maybe.
God,
Now that I have
I'm
successfully ruined my clothes, I have stuff everywhere.
Alright.
And my hair.
Guys, do you want a little bit ASMR slime?
How is that? Cori's making slime.
And guess what? Look
This
at this
week.
ASMR. I love ASMR!
Try it now with it all mixed together. Like get a sip right there with the milk and the tea and everything. Sweeter? Okay. Try this one. It's much sweeter.
I love it.
We're switching.
You probably like mine better.
I do.
I knew it! Because you don't like sweet.
That cup has more the creamer in it. I'm using this new camera and I don't know if I should look at like where am I looking when you guys like this? Can you tell when I'm looking at you, looking at the camera, look at the lens, whatever? I don't know. Anyway, well guys, we'll see you back right here on our channel for more fun, singing, making tea time, crafts, hanging out.
And do you want one more ASMR? Let me do some ASMR for you. One more ASMR, guys. Look.
Can they even hear that?
You probably can.
Once I go back and listen to this, we'll see if you can hear it. All right, guys. Cheers, darlings. We'll see you later for another craft. We got a fun craft coming up. We'll be back with more from CJ. Okay, so she wanted to do hers all fancy. I'm going to do mine again. Okay, guys. We'll be back with more from CJ.
You did yours, Fancy, okay?
CJ. Cut.
Guys.
See y'all later.
And make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and ring that doorbell.
Is it a doorbell or a notification bell?
No.
So guys, before you leave, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can know when your girls is
And give it a
online. So you can know when your girls is online. So
and leave a big 2 thumbs up.
Can
And
you
a
guys see
big
how messy I am?
giant thumbs up. And subscribe so her shirt can get better. Please. And we're trying to get
I'm gonna go do my nails.
200K. So make sure we get it at.
We gotta go.
400K. Come on, y'all can do it. Clear. Subscribe in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna see if y'all did it. That's great.
Are we hitting the subscribe?
I hope y'all
All right, guys. We'll see you next time for more singing, crafting, tea time, acting up, all of that because she crazy or whatever. All right, we'll see you guys next time. Cheers.
And we're about to do our nails.
No, I'm gonna do my nails.
I'm gonna do my nails.
Buy your own nail stuff. Good night. Good night. It's time for us to say good night.